I wake up this morning. I dey pity your mama, sha. The day when your mama go die. Where they want bury your mama? Oh, bury gradi. Akpoli jwere bury gradi. Ajebo. Ow. Oh, jao. You're not supposed to they talk. Where small children they talk. You know what they say? You can't have what you can't have what you can't have what. If you were to wealthy look, what's your imagine and more? Can't you use your own children? May your children they call you charmer. Your own children when you don't throw away for 90 no date. They go use you with those children, say now you be your children charmer, now you be their papa. No, you they find other people children when you want to do charmer. You they find agrikpa when you want to do charmer. You they find people children when they get money pass you. You know they full shape. At the boy enter house. Your spit, it don't burn my face finish. See my face, it don't burn finish. My beautiful face, where you find, where we see the way when your spit, your saliva, your dirty saliva, all those your teeth where you rot put for inside your mouth. All the old spit when they come out, all the old worm when don't they shit for inside your mouth, when you condemn all your teeth when they inside your mouth. The piece and the shit when the worm they shit put for inside your mouth, all the old spit, they burn everybody face. You know how many people face don't burn for your saga. See my old fine face. Now the boy saliva and I burn my face like this. Nah, good morning, family. How you doing? You are welcome, my love. You don't spend years. It's when you did when you enter abroad. Enogie now small pikin na im be. You use almost 15 years take senior Enogie for Europe. 15 years. It's even more than 15 years. Now so Frank never spent 10 years for Europe. You use almost 16 to 17 years take senior Frank for Europe. You can't share. I got paper. You know how many people get paper? You know how many people get paper? You know how many people get paper? Your mate are not talking about passport. European passport. The country where they day. Now the passport, 9 people hold. People when you hold passport self, they know they make noise. Ordinary 2 years when you carry. Ordinary 2 years when spend they renew for you when you know they work. And they see for live video you say if they go meet Enogie say may you come meet. I don't know why you no go. I first tell you say who baby now Sagbo or that on the Facebook now. I know I tell you say the day when you say lovely now that day now you say yourself give small children maybe they hit you on top of your head. You know see thank God say the day now wish don't say you go give your people who they beat you now. Who is beating you now? Is it not your people? And then I will be told, say, you can't beat me. At the end of the day, now your people, you they beating. You know, Siana, you they beat your people, they draw you. This man enter house, you are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace. Oh, we are no case Spain. On up via hair, your nylon bag. He can't go Germany, go stay with woman, go stay with Sister Vivian. Oh. Ew. Useless man. You are too useless. Kai. You don't still get passport, my love. You see they talk. That they go, they say, lovely, I will deal with you. Lovely, I can break your leg. Lovely, I can put tire for your leg. I say, for another TikTok. Irrelevant man. I know they follow that they make noise. You know make her. Go and make it before you knock on my door. Now, me when you get money, if they talk, they say, yeah, guy, nah, bro, I don't do now. Not be this one, no, really, good morning, Paris, how you day? This Saga, now you they cook and where I beg, no confess firewood finish for our forest too. You don't do, you know. Look at this useless man. You dey boast of ordinary 5 years. Ordinary 5 years when your fellow men wanna enter Europe together. When they bring their brother come now, bring their sister come. Now kata sojourner now that they give them. Kata sojourner. Your mate when they bring their brother's children come, their sister children come. Now kata sojourner now that they give them. Kata sojourner. On a hoelo no ravek. Useless old fool. Damn. Oh, if they follow small children, they killing fly and chopping it. Killing fly and chopping it. This man is 40-something years old man. 48, 49. I this one. They not let out the decision and say, and now 45. They not lie. The time when they enter abroad, how old? How old did they? Let's say this man enter abroad, say 24 years. 24 years or 23 years plus 5 years now when he don't spend for abroad. My people, how many years be that one? That one won't be 48 years. Now 15 years it enter abroad. I've been now 20 years. If they call the fool itself for a year, if they cut come on for age. If they cut come on, the age when Danaya like we bro. He enter abroad, age of if he's too young going to enter abroad, he don't enter abroad age of 22 years. He don't enter abroad age of 22 years. This man enter abroad age of 23, 24 plus 25 years. This man is 48 to 49 years. 9 days. And when now they look, he says, say, he don't go. Now camera now they set for face. Fitter. Now fitter they set for face. If you see where you use something to take raw face, you go come carry on. If you see where you rub charcoal for face, you go come carry on. He come carry my person say mama say he say that man he dey foolish. I now say why? He say he go carry your face where you for use soap take rub face. I say no, say na he spit, na the boss spit. Now he burn my face. Down spit, now he burn my face. Now that one laugh. Like say, and I say no, I say I don't rub anything. Now the boss spit, now he burn my face. When you come Europe, how many years you spend for Europe before you get documents? All those useless igbiagia when they call you, when they frustrate. No, when all the akpekus they smell follow them, now they can't call you. If you see them, they frustrate. Now because I know they see them, if they insult you for darkness. If you see them, some of them the jacket will come squeeze for their body. They know they change jacket. See they can't see them for cold time. You can never see better jacket for their body. They be all those ashawo when God when they follow you. Ush ashawo when God now you can say if now Destiny Bagwa dayline now you can carry food you can they talk. Only you go tell Destiny Bagwa say I beg I get brother when I want carry come abroad though how I want to do visa. People do ask all those Benin men when they Facebook when people know that they ask them about business requirements. You sit down, they shout for the lovely, Menu we good one we know what may chest in Africa. Africa ha. Then they go Africa now they talk. Wait till you get to where you don't put for Africa, brigand. There is some people that they for abroad. They might say so where am you wani a boloy. Just there for you, just they shout, man, Enogie. Come on, they cry or cry. Shame on you, you are a disgrace. All your mate. If Papa Wala now want carry this go house container, you know I'm all the women when they after that here. All they'll say, oh, Pala, oh, if you want carry container, go. I get something when I be carry go Nigeria. Oh, I beg, make I break it. They say, Murel tell me. So we'll go buy something for supermarkets. Most of those, this now, Papa Wala container, now that they pack. As I say now, Binima. Which one you did? You never reach where they that they shift container one day. You never buy one small legal thing put for container. This useless man when mama still dey rent. Now you still dey talk. Ha! Narrate. Oh, your old house with Percy house, no be the same. Narrate. This man have spent 25 years for Europe. 25 years. Now this man don't spend for Europe. Your mama still dey somebody house. Ajebo, I beg go hide your face. Go and hide your shame. Now shame, now you take they come out. Now where mother ziga, I will ziga. Now you take they come. We don't say, you know they hurt you, say tomorrow not day. Now that you where mother ziga, they don't say, I depend on right house. And now you take they come. We don't already know your fate. Very useless person, Kate. Very useless man. Follow small children. Good morning, my beautiful people. My love it, choy. My love it, te. When I don't see when you don't start to do Saga, I don't see the way when my face can't stay bon. See the way when my face stay bon. If they find people picture, they go, my people. Not be me put my face for Facebook like this. You get one post, one comment say, this lovely self, you know if you understand her. Tomorrow, una go carry this face come. Another day, una go carry another face come. Lovely, they use that thing they do carry catch-up. You call the Bolikian day now. You can't be killing fly and chopping it. Or our me we one new muladia. Now you know. You got the body shape person. You know, the people that don't have body. The people who no tall. Now they the body shape people. You know, when you see this my face, you go shut down my people. Not be me carry this face put for Facebook. They use that they do like fit you. Now I even the Saga that day. Wait I put for my face. He can't use spit. It spoil my face. It's when he enter Facebook. Now at the boss saliva. Now he spoil my face like this. At the boss saliva. This man is so fucking hit just for nothing. Go and make money. Now, I just say, Enogie bring 8,851 euro and 30 cents come out. Now, this man, he can't say people make they go a bar. Make they go buy a bar made for her. Now, bar made they do video. A bar made cloth. And they don't good morning. Abba made cloth. Now they do this. I will feel buy Versace. This I get money to buy Versace. Now Abba this thing. Abba all those things where they wear. Now Abba made do. Abba. Yeah, well, no, check inside. When I will check inside, this I go the white ba. Versace. Inside, you go see the pleats of Versace. When me sheet pleat Versace put for the cloth. You go see her. This one just the shot. You want to join? Suppose somebody say you want to join. If you join now, you will come be like say the camera. You go get us if you want join so. Now what? Now backlog. Now you they wear come they shout. A bar made. See just when we wear that day. They know they sold that juice for Europe. Now Igbo people cloth. Igbo people about made cloth. Now they wear. The shoe we carry come. Lovely. You will feel buy this shoe. I say, how much you take buy this shoe? I go zoom the shoe come out. And I say AliExpress. Now I go buy the shoe. I say, yeah, well, this man they happy self. Oh, you get money to buy this thing. You get money to buy mosquito. Not be Victor again. Victor now, what it be? Not be immigrant again. Now you be German immigrant. You be German immigrant. If you don't have Germany document, when you spend 3 months for Germany, what did they go do? You will go back to Spain. They'll make sure say you come on for that country. Then you go come back again. They don't always give you say, may you just say no. You go come Facebook. You go say, at the drive person go airport. Who you dey drive go airport? Who? You be taxi driver. Are you a taxi driver? Useless man. Enter house, make you dey shame. Enter house. You too dey beg. Failure is written all over you. Go and work. Go and look for something else to do with your life. Go and hook your life with better something for life. Go and look, go check something. Check around you. Go Germany. Go Germany where they low container. Yari Benin men for there. See Benin men. Come here. Come Amsterdam. Oh. See Benin men. Oh, well, tell me la walo there say. Oh, tell me la walo there say. Oh, tell me I beg. You say no me I beg go. This container I beg go. The way that one when una help me carry go house that time. Nothing, they don't steal anything for that one. But when I see do this one like that, to wala. When you don't reach money business, Benin people go to speak Benin to Igbo. See this one, just the Facebook, just they follow small children. They chook am for yam pit, they smell am. They chook am for nyash, they smell am. Useless man, when you don't know wetin you may take pass. Aren't you ashamed of yourself at this age? 25 years for Europe. You are still talking about 2 years document. 2 years document when you don't get. 2 years document when they'll give you that will say a government unlock power. Not let this one now give me. Wait I want to use this one do. I think say now 10 years now they give person. Not let 2 years now give me. 2 years document when you get for Spain. Now you take on they say I get document. Document. Now only document your mate can achieve for abroad for so many years where your children. Enter house, useless man. See your life today now. Either you're no one be coming. At any time when I take see for dream, I will not say one something one can hit and bow. Anytime when I take see, the day when I see him, he say, "May I come? Make it use cartel lift me for dream." Now say, "O coincident he can lelue." Now so coincident he can lelue. This one you they do juju. You they do juju. You know where for come? You know where for come? I be Ishan. I not be say I be Pali Ishan, be Pali. I be a motor of Ishan. I mean, you won't use juju for you. They lay. Tell your mama say, oh, if your mama now they go for you, they go for you. They carry my name. They go native doctor. I pity. You also receive ROIP for your own self. Your own self. Now I see him, I see him. You know say, if you dance inside car for inside dream, no better thing. Na coffee. As they carry my name, they come and so Google so kill you. Now me, they put fire for Nyash. Oh, we sunny. At the same as I come, they come, yeah, he come the right car on top of red sand. You know red sand. You know say red sand is like grave. I can more one ton. I toloto. You go dig ground. You know say when you dig ground, red sand go come out. Red sand with car. The car na coffee. The red sand na grave. Now say see this one for your mind. Now my name you dey carry go meet native doctor. You dey learn. I will make sure say I frustrate you. And if I ever see you for my dream again, Allah, if I not fit make you mad, you go know say no bishan for con. It is how they follow now they play. How they play oh. Ya worry picture no say ki reaction. Inside Ishan, I go put craze for your body. You go run man. If I ever see you for my dream again, if you ever carry your evil thing, come meet me again. ROIP for you. The person where they help you, they go now. Go now, go kill her. Useless man. Hey, the kind people not go juju. The kind people not go juju. As I see this one, you they let go. I said the then I wish who I be. The then I wish never tell you. If you know how to ask the then I wish, go ask Grace. Ask Grace. May you forget the day now because the day now which on your bone or maybe Facebook when you don't craze finish. Forget me, I don't forget the day now. Go ask Grace. Ask Grace, say who be lovely. Grace go tell you. Not be this one way they follow your Benin people they do. If I ever see you for my dream again, not be say you know if you do me anything, never. But I will make sure say I go put grace for your body. Okay, I make bishele. Why not? If I know Sagara, my love, waiting again. I go Sagara. Now me they make her the crazy. So you can't lie. Nobody they believe in lie. Oh. Nobody they believe in Saga. Oh. Nobody they believe in Saga. Nobody. This man can lie. You know when they use lie, they do Saga. Commenters not they believe you again. They'll say enter house, lie man, enter house, lie man. Not be waiting that they tell. They say man you go work. I can't. Seriously, you ask this. Time when you don't spend for Europe, you are still boasting of 2 years document. 2 years document. When my pussycat, my daughter pussycat, because you don't talk to our pussycat, because now our family. My daughter pussycat, now passport now you get, because you must register her. Passport, pussycat, 4 months old pussycat. Now passport now you get, now this one they shout heavy, now. When you know fit give the children life. When you abandon children, you can't tell say you want to help other people children. You winner boy. No way say buying, ne say bear, ne say no see now good now your good don't kill you so. The people when they donate for you with the useless color when they call you now good to go kill now why what who can't divide war who can't divide when people went frustrated like you now they call you. People when they don't stay for Europe, when they don't get document like you, how can somebody spend 25 years for Europe? Now ordinary 2 years. Now they carry the waka, they go 2 years. Hi, 2 years. Okay, you don't read, okay. You don't renew your passport, okay. 25 years, 25 years, even people when they take a document that time, they don't even take passport safe. There are some people when they seize their document, they don't take passport. They give them their document back, they don't take passport. After many years, now small children, when you enter Europe yesterday, now then they tell say, you know get paper, I get paper. So now that will be your weapon. You get paper, be your weapon. How many years you did when you get that paper? I will say at the time when you enter Europe, now you get that paper. I think by now, you for don't get passport. By now, you for don't get passport. Say the time when you enter Europe, you just reach after 1 year, you can't get paper. You for don't get passport. Maybe if quit that woman, give you passport before you leave that woman. You know, come patient now. Now 1 year document, yes, Gina, now 1 year document. Now 1 year document, they will not be space for you. It not they work now. Now 1 year document, they carry, they walk up and down like say tomorrow, no day. No. Tell the musician when use you take before, tell them use you sing again. This one not the sweet us for here again. That one Japan no get not the sweet again. Tell another musician where did all coming musician and then they use you sing. Why you no go meet musician when be say top musician for Bini, may they use you sing. Who may go now? Where you want see money? This one when they pack it domi give. Person way mama they chop it domi. Hey, never. Or where you go and go one or the spaghetti. Are the spaghetti or one tie or which jewelry spaghetti. Now small children they eat pasta. This mama, oh, I pity for that woman. I pity the woman. Oh, the woman, your mama at this age. Na ikme wa sukhwa ya do a man name better egusi soup. Oh, ikme wa sukhu. Aya do a man no dede. Awe mama, ni dio yakbu yo, where yo yakbu yo here, ni he senti no yakbu. Ikme wa sukhu. Aya do a man ni je. Oh, when I spaghetti. Ay, you wear washily. Oh, washily, yako. Ow! If you get lockman, no. Agmanogi you wear. Oh, ya boy, I just the boy is sick, I big. Mama, iya isiku. Oh, he booked big. My chavation now, or maybe not here. Frustration. Or more frustrated. Ije frustrate more. Oh, Good morning, Joy. Where me could I can you not be cool? Oh, have you when I your story? Of your racy, no your racy. Ije in your bono ya be cool. Oh, ya be cool. I don't think they talk. I like to speak Benin. Oh, in your bo. Oh, ya be oh, ariku. Oh, ya be cool. Oh, ya be of your when I your story. Hi, Arimu Yangebo Tota. Tota, where, oh, me, mon me, frustration ke ya, ya jebo ya be. He get the one way from Victor play. I don't know where from Victor from see that video. From Victor not be better person, a bad guy. He get the boy is a book. Me now where Anahina? Who be this one? From Victor say, now the bomb mama. I say, ah. Ovio manorebu, ijo manorebu. Oh, what book? If from Victor where all the old rights when devil eat remain. Mama Jebo, the chopper. At the boy enter house. No. I they where genya. Manoke do say tire. Genya. We not even to make her say we no make her. Who built 4 flat build? Who built 3 flat build? Who built 2 flat build? Who built only 3 bedroom for him mama build her? Put better fence, put better copan. Oh God, this is they pay me. Ija the boy wa big. Why you wake bouquet? Ememe no. Ememe wa la honi egbe. Ohoni oh na jebo. Oh. Ije wa frustrate omona wa be frustrate. Owe genya iboki Facebook wa de o. Ije me le ruun na gbon ya le ruun ni omo le ruun ni bieka le ruun na daza le ruun ruun no you we sebun wo sie ne ruun ni na ma save gbuwe. Your mama prayer say they reach. Why did your mama prayer not reach for your body? When you they talk say your mama prayer they reach for people, but your mama prayer they pray for small children when they're newborn, they pray for adults, pray for rich man, pray for everybody. Why that say prayer? You know what for your body? If your mama prayer they reach, ow. Yes, because of food, my love. Because of food, that the mama go, they go party to party. Jollof rice, nah. You know they chop jollof rice. Yeah, patron na me jollof rice, yeah. The musician now where, hey, chas, dun. Waya, wabokian. Oh, wahon. If you, three children where dead your father's home. Oh, wa get viok monjian. Oh, wa viok monjian. If your more ija jebo ija mune jollof rice we cool. They try the valor the Benin people go understand so we some we value donner. If you don't hear say dan waya tota etemeni wo dan hello cha owo hello chas ija jebo wa vi okmo yo I wa vi different cloth yo. And Abadan I they wear no be Holandi so Abadan. All the Accra Ukmoka or Yagbehunji. All the Accra purple leaf or the Ruin. All the Accra Ekenamion one say Accra. You will use a taste so boba. 3 color of cloth. Then all yari mina ikbakbe hui Accra or Yagbekunji. How can the responsible woman or Agbekunji iku? Hi! Or Agbekunji if you bata your way or was your bata the small children when he day with her. Ija the boy will go carry shoe come on for leg. The slippers. A slippers you know ija the boy uvu riyeke uvu. Our via ni bia carry wo. Wakiamu. Oya meku na kon. Wakiamu finya kwe gaize fo. Ekeni yuwe ina yari eva be party nyaga. Ow. Away from Victor. E from Victor, yo hani. Una we ye yo yari rieva vi kunya nya. O rieva e. O I big. Awa muelega. E ke no mo he totaji. O ya totaji va. Ize na rie kere. Iya de boy mu. O rae. Oh, the oh, I told me, oh, I did pity for that woman. Now this thing, now it don't have Douglas say, person when they abroad, now mama just useless like that. Now it don't have. Ine, uda, wese mio kan o, it don't have Douglas o, uda wese mio kan. As it say, at the bomb mama, they go for one party to another, go they chop. Now the woman can say, okay, let me put you for monthly pay. The woman can they give the woman money because the woman knows say now hungry. Now they make at the bomb mama, they go party to party. Where can the party where that party go there for Bini? They say at the bomb mama they go. Call the bokana. You know fit the bokan. Why go debunk? Because they see your mama for party. As I did, I don't say lovely. They see your mama for party. They say, okay, wait the video. You know, ow. Bless it, bless. Good morning. Ha. Oh, this woman matter. If I dey talk about the woman, I go dey cry, another person cry. Jesus. When you go lawa, the ball, lawa ne kwa mue. O viene guay spaghetti Italian pomodoro malele spaghetti. Italian this mia cho mozzarella malele. Italian this formaggio malele. Italian gusto o malele. Ifugi nenemi o malele. I was evani awa bia you wa me. Nya wa ewe di we ni yario nya di we ni ya jebo yario. Owa iya wa le iya ravie maginoge Chinese iya vio iwekwe this thing a pasta or spaghetti iya ya le iya amuni bieka ra won ibieka ra won we no hun ko we never ina jebo adebo enter see you know they talk make you enter house. It's a shame when you wear your human say Agimwe wiku ije tota ose do wudo ya bo we se be ayo bi me ope ni mo da gbuke o na nesan no gbe emi na baba mo ye cho no gbe wetin they call this woman when get Ishan group dance ogene ne gbojeke ono we also as we lock do to our kigbo mi oni lo ni move okay panosu kagara okay gbe okay gbodo do to. They say once Jeta just say dan hello Charles iya jebo mo pegbe ari mu ya jebo we cool when na money ni when the people say when na money ni we wupe. Shame on you. Get inside Mr. Foolish Man. You are ashamed of yourself. As old as you are, you don't spend years in Europe. Only one room. You know, feel built for your mama. My daughter say that one room toilet day, but true day. Your mama go they cook for outside. No. See your mama the day when Mrs. Douglas enter your mama life. Now your mama come tied to rapper. Oh, the woman prayer finish for him mouth. And the boy mama prayer finish for him mouth. Now I say, this woman, you can't pray for Africa. Prayer finish. The woman come to dance up and down. Now your boss she le look more. Oh, you remember where say Toronto glassy? What you more? See, Papa, when you saw for me, where more? See, Papa, when you saw for me, where the woman she was so happy because he told her, Douglas knows say this is how to treat a mother. That was the VIP treatment. He told her, Douglas, give to your mother. And then he don't have a bohoni yes. ogboma yesi ugbito han Douglas yesi okonomu we adewe bo gbe yesi o manorie 3000 euro nuwe ori 3000 euro nuwe na we pa was in Nigeria amigo na ya danyonwu una we gbokpe ani yesi una do 3k una dorie ekwemue egbibie ka we na nri o egbibie ka ewe na wa yaga tota na ta una listen una don't listen to the audio no don't dey hear again no go Saga don't deaf your ears so tell you they play audio you they ask people say whether they hear that means say no get Saga that treatment when he give you it just have to block your this for inside your eardrum ogbe your eardrum. How can you be playing audio for people they hear, people they talk say we don't hear, play another one again, we don't hear, play another one. If they ask you now they hear, that means say Enogie Saga na just deaf you. You never started the Saga you don't deaf nana. Am I swear wagenye ho bame Saga. How can you be playing audio, very loud audio? I was not even on your platform. I was a Enogie platform. I can hear it clean and clear. You that is playing the audio in your own platform, you are asking people if they can hear the audio that you are playing. Which another live video presenter, they live scream you. We hear the audio woto for our ear. Very loud and sound. And you, when they play the audio, you know they hear. Oh! It's Saga Enogie. It don't confuse her. They don't get Saga, don't depress her. He don't devastate her. He devastated. Enogie Saga give it to Adebo devastated. He frustrates her. Aye. They ask. I say, are you serious? Are you not telling me now that Enogie Saga or devil way he hear at this moment? The sort of way with the hear for another person platform. Not even your platform. We can hear it loud and clean and clear. You that is playing the Saga, playing the live video, you are asking the people that is watching you if they can hear you. So are you going to tell me, am I in with Saga? They never start for Saga. You don't get deaf ear. Your ear don't already break. You know the shame, useless man. Ome o dan. Okpeana. Ome o itore. He can't lie. The day when I know say this man, I say no, he's a liar. And then I beg you, I worry phone. Oh, I calling me, now so. I said, no, they joined the so. I just like her. Thank you very much, my sister. I was a buy a now that I say, wait, it concern me. If they like make they kill you, it not concern me. Before as this man lie rich, now you want they call the talk. If this man he call you for phone, you can never talk. Oh, now you go talk finish. Now you go sit and say bye bye. You tell us say bye bye because what he can tell you, you know get now you know go fit put opinion. Now irrelevant. I call to say this man, your mate is working. Why are you busy discussing about useless things for what happen for Facebook? You call the wait I first see. You can't come. You can't tell me. He say the woman when carry her come for Nigeria. Now Nigeria if or know the woman, he friend the woman. He said the one when he come marry for the one when marry him for Germany. Say he don't friend that one before for Nigeria. And I saw it tell life for me which he never friend that one. Now Sister Felicia now he introduce that one give her. Now that day now I can say tie. Now that day I dislike her. Another day can see the his wife sister can't call me. He can't tell me about him. I can't bet that one say no. Say he don't do. Say make he now family. You know, I be that kind of person. You know, not be everything you go tell me. I just say me I can't just use and they do video. You know, with the guy we really talk that day. Now call they bet the guy. If the guy go feel say yes, he can't talk. You say yes. Barrister re-beg me. I re-beg and say sister, I don't do. You know, then the day when he called the guy problem with a social media president. Now I can do video say you yourself, the way they do something sometimes, it's not good. Now say the other time, your sister-in-law called me, he report you to me, judge everything, how you take key mama, how you take drive in mama commode for her sister house, how you take come claim the house, everything, you know. But I don't talk for Facebook. I'm just saying it now. As I don't drop my video finish, before you know, this man just call me. He say at the talk one thing, say is that is her sister-in-law call me, say he hear that one for my live video. Now I say yes. I say your sister-in-law call me. He talk everything to me, but I beg and say make he forget. I know use I do live video. Then he come tell me say a part the month he don't fair use that, he don't fair top for that case. Now I say I not just want top for that case. As the girl call me, I supposed to top for that case, but I say and say no be if matter come sometimes you see get the way when you see take beg the person when he carry the matter come. Like we want to do live videos. Sometimes matter they reach our table. When you see say one live video presenter don't talk, the second one don't talk, the third one don't talk. If I say me I call the talker, it's like no, not be everything and they bring on social media. If people call me sometimes, I be that kind person, you know. Then he come tell me say a part the don't fair top put. No, not be a part social media don't fair top put. If fair top put for the matter now, blah 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 blah. Now I come tell her say, bro, don't they do things like that? That girl na your sister-in-law. You don't already date the family. You know feel be their enemy. You have to make peace with them. Now he talk. As he talk finish, you know the last person talk. Oh, this man, if this man call you, he not go let you talk. This man, if he don't talk finish, if you tell us okay, may you talk, go say if you once you want just talk, you go say hey, wait first, make I tell you. You know people when you know they allow person they talk. Those people, they are not good people. They not be better people. They always they attack. Not only he they talk. Not only instead they attack who he they talk to. Then if you see that kind of person, you let them they talk because why? There's something you know concern me and now your own personal issue, you know, and not be all issue at the carry like that. Since then, I also say no, this man is not the kind of person you go fee talk to. Asa, now they call. You can't like this man they talk like I don't believe this man. This man they talk like wait, get one certain time. That way, if you go greet her, you know, if they talk like Ajabo na liar. Now me tell her, say Ajabo. Now I say people don't they talk about you now. When you the way they go they gossip they give them, where you go they talk they give them. He say Nikki, who be there? Make I tell them. Then I say no, I'm not gonna tell you the people, but be careful. You be ma, you know. Because I say oh tell me where say Enogie unwe where Enogie unwe you no go do this one. Not us. I just want make I tell you because now Facebook now you there before you know people come they carry you they run for ground. You know that's it. Now so it be this man a useless man, very useless man. You they play this, you they lie. He say now you be person. At the end of the day now, who be person? People where they get problem. Now they solve their problem by themselves. This man to talk lie. This man can lie. There is nobody this man will Saga on this social media when I go believe. Even he say this man Saga my enemy. I not go believe waiting tell my enemy. I not go believe. I not go take side with him. Waiting talk against my enemy say na truth, na lie. This man to talk lie. He too they lie. This useless man. They use documented the laugh person. Your mate don't get passport. Your mate, they don't renew their passport. Your mate, they don't renew their passport. Are you kidding? After 25 years for Europe, now they talk of paper. When you just enter Europe, now you get paper. I will say now when you just enter Europe, now you get paper. Maybe now that woman house, now you go forget passport before you come out. That woman when carry you enter Spain. Now there you for carry passport. You don't feel patient. This man when not feel work. Man when they do babysitter for house. How can a normal human being Man, when you get document, you go there, you go they do babysitter. They show for Facebook now. If you they do live video, the boy go say, Daddy, I want chupa chupa. You go get her. Daddy, I want candy. You go get her. Daddy, I want biscuits. You go get her. Daddy, I want juice. You go get her. You just they run errand for picking when na mama supposed to they do. Very lazy, useless man. All this thing when you do so, you but they do for Vivian. Your days are no bad. Your days are no bad. Go man today did time. When it's time for the woman to chase you out, that woman, when you go pack load, go me for Germany, go still chase you out. You is a cost to you. Now come on, I caught up with you so. A karma. That woman that bring you to abroad, that you offend, that you betray, you can never make it. Ajebo, you can never make it. You know, see the name when you give yourself, Ajebo inamye ya wefe. That means anytime when you see, now you go do. If you don't see, you go rest. Which man, when they right senses, so where ya mieu or ina efe. If I see do, now they be rich person. Ijue ha bini ma. Mama ya agbo we or agbo kewe. Me no have you when now you tori. The way mama take they what they are dance the way mama take they dance. Oh, you go up your leg. Oh, Saga. Whether na gata mama be I don't know. Oh, I will know where you talk back. Oh, mudia. I'll come dance one day. You can't the way mama take they dance. Now that music, that useless music when you they play. Now I will take dance before your mama dance. You go say back. You go bend down like this. You go they shaking ya. I say oh, na ti eri efua. Ija jebori efua. Okba ni ri efua. Ije ri efua. Or ri efua. A frustration o we ye nya he. Ugbemi. The my rich we bo. Ya agbuke here go the dance they go. The woman get the way we take the dance. I don't know where from Victor for the see all those things. Oh, from Victor. From Victor say, so you got your boy, have your way now, you're touring now. You got the way we take the dance, you go up with leg. If they dance, you go bend down, you go take down. Say, old woman. Oh, now for session they worry that old woman. No say. Jesus Christi. You go tie the cloth where you go tie. You no go reach ground. Or your boy ya bekuji. Ha. Oh man, oh yere webo. If you see some old women when their mama they abroad. If they go occasion, they go sit down, they go fine. Yeah, total. All this go goro ye ring, yeah, she let ye be me we mama wait you papu for body. Yeah, she let ye be yeah moswa. Oh, what they go say, mama like what you say, oh, we may not have a boy, them me na mujo. Emi ya iwa kon ye be ye pata, I mean, walk at the bo. I mean, at the bo, Oh, I can't say mama they dance follow musician. The musician I see ya debo ya tota. Ari where they push mama debo round for inside dance. Iye ya tota. U try uye eva de we yi. Obia ware we bo we wa zuwa we bu. Iya wo ko na. Obia re we bo ozuwa. Iya we yi. Okwolo biere webo ya wo biere webo o bia ezuwa na o bia ewuri yekewi ekwei. They say pikin do go back like tortoise procos. O mio adebolo rikeke be ekune like pig. You know say pig now back you forget this you go they made go they go na so adebol be. Oh. Imama they go say, oh, ije ya toto we wagume na gbe, wana inami okoko, wagume na gbe imo. Imola wakuwe dagbe ovivetere webo yewe iwomo webo yaga muyage bogba waseve ojanori eni egbe kwa ukena waseve oye ya totawe iwa momo webo owu se ye iri spaghetti eva spaghetti iri spaghetti yawe abati yawe abati spaghetti we spaghetti vi ni amunore ni ya bomo na gebo ya fi owo edo spaghetti vi yawe mama abati spaghetti we ni no ye wo ho alefone oh my god spaghetti spaghetti viwa ye spaghetti yegwe ije vai te spaghetti vo we ni anka we bomu nore spaghetti vo ye wo oh mama call your iye if you call this life again mu no mare iye ya gebo you no wa ma mama owa doma you say agele wegenya ne suse ya rito ni amegwe ya to yewe I don't chop my money rich yeti ya ho okona owa your mind you say this thing they imagine you. If I dey talk, it go be like say my heart they break me. How can a man be in Europe? Jesus Christ. So you want tell me now say if not be Vivian, okay, if not be that first lady, it will have Douglas. If not be that one, we if bring his house come. That means say na room na Jebo still rent for him mama. I been na him mama rent that room by himself. Can you imagine? Over 25 years for Europe, Jebo mama still they go for one room to another. Binima mama. What? Binima mama. Ha! Binima mama. Me modare webo. I never see Binima at this age. Binima, their mama they go collect rent for the houses when they build. And the boy mama still they rent. Ha! Ajebo beg, try, go and take a pill, just chill. Enter house, go udiano riwe yagbe. Facebook go pull more depression for your body. Do you see this Facebook? Their depression. Oh, they go out and journal because who frustrated? You don't need to come Facebook if you don't get anything. No come. They are coming to laugh you. You don't see that way that they laugh me. Lovely, you know they say I am make a document you not get. I am make a document you not get. Why I feel stand there, my people? Because I get documents. I not just want bring and come out, you know. If they're going to talk, I go laugh. People going to talk, say, even this woman want they laugh, say, you no get document. Instead they laugh for, why should they laugh like this? You don't know, you know. Somebody will get something. If people don't know her, you they talk about her. She herself, me myself, I don't already know myself, say, wait till now they talk about me, now lie. Then if now they talk, you go they make me they laugh. You know, they give me more joy. Because I always say I not get time. If now they talk and now come they make bang. You see that time, I never fight any of them. It does say lovely, you know they say, your mate get document, you not get. I say I not get I not get 2 document. I don't get. I say see she because she don't get. Now make her they say who document get help. Because she don't get. Now make her they say who document help. I'm gonna they use the thing they play because now they not get to. Now they no get. Now they no get. Now they go they talk say I no get. I say who document help. They'll say, see, useless woman, you know they share. Ooh, how many years for Europe? You don't get. You went from road come. You went from road come. Ooh, now they from road come. Oh. They come, they talk say, now me for road come. Old school. I don't enter abroad. I enter abroad 1986. Now I enter abroad 1986. 1986. Now I enter abroad. Can't reach this time. On a calculator now. I don't be 40 years for Europe. When I tell them, they shall say, lovely, 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 lovely. Storyteller people. When I come here, I tell you a story. Make you carry go. People gonna say, now, wow, this woman. We don't even know yet when you take her. Now you come 2000. Now you come 1995. 95. Now you come 1985. Now you come 1999. Now you come year 2000. Now you come. They say they don't even know the time when Lovely take come abroad. Now that I take come all the years where they tell now say now I take day abroad. Now I take day abroad. I don't even forget. Say people like say now this I even concern 1990. People like say now 1990. I been 1986, 85. Hey, go up. That's why for come on carry on come down. More carry on go up. More they are Jonah. Nonsense people. Now so that they do lovely, you know they shame. Lovely, you know they shall say, why go shame? I can't they laugh. Enogie say that Lovely. If you say you want to use Lovely do Saga, Lovely laugh self with the entire person. My laugh, and they laugh, you go, they do me, they do Saga. I go see they laugh the Saga when you they do. You know, see. These people now frustrate, now they bitter. Who they live where they always calm. Now frustrated people they bitter. Because why? Their body scatter, their brain scatter. They cannot cope themselves together. And the worst part of it, they go where Saga day. They feel say now that place now go calm them. That place not go calm you down because your head is already boiling. You need a place that will cool your head. That they will still go place when their head no cool down. You see, huh? Now they talk, lovely, you know they share. Lovely, you know they share. After many years for Europe, come on, document, you not get. I say, I not get to my sister. Oh, I don't want to give me now. You know they share. We will come yesterday. All of us get. You know, say, I say, my sister, I not get it. I want to do this one. I'm going to come help Lovely. When I was in Facebook that year, when they are saying it, I was joking. Even some commentators go say, I don't know why. If una they talk of document, this woman would they laugh. This woman would they laugh. Now there's some people because they talk say, una not even know this woman. Una don't they talk say this woman don't get document. Wait till una don't hear for social media. They use her talk. Even we got one of my person, you. Now that one say, mama. If na 5 years, you bring and come out. You don't tire. I say, what did they tire? You say, mama, don't tomorrow they use documented the Saga. You say, my sister live there. He say, if na 5 years, you see bring and come out. If na 5 years, bring and come out. I say, live there. I no get it. Now that if you believe, say I no get, just still believe like that. He say, don't tire, no come do again. I say, why did they take serious? They just have to take serious. Now, wow, seriously? I could they laugh because why? I have it. When you talk something, you say that they love you. John no say, Lovely get her. I not just want show her. Now the best I can tell her say, if I show you something, you just say go they shout. Now the person say, may I show you? But not Krishota mo. He said, no, Krishota. Now, if you Krishota, I not go trust you again for my life. He said, no, mama, I don't want Krishota. You just tell me. Make my mind for calm down. So that if they commit, he go don't say, yes, if they commit. Anytime, I feel bring and come out. Now I show the person, say, see ya. I show finish, now open inside. Now say, see ya. Now the person, they run pattern. Hey, Jesus Christ. Mama say, ja, you know, something where you don't expect. Jesus, Mama, na pee you, oh? I said, yes. I said, no, pee again. I said, mama, na what for you, oh? Che. I said, yes. I did with pee for inside house. What did they document? What did they, where I even carry my document put safe? Sometimes I don't even know where they safe. Sometimes if I want to do something, maybe because if I want to do something sometimes, now my daughter, they use the photo, they do one. But if my daughter not there, sometimes say if I want to do one, then I go, maybe it's my second daughter they has, I'll carry my phone, I'll tell them, say, me bring her. I will even they ask, I will say, where my passport if they safe? You know, that's it. Now you go to the say, Mama, I say, he say, nah, wow, you yourself now, what kind person? He said, now so you like play? I said, yes, if another person, you go bring a comment. I said, yes, I like play. He said, you know, even think, say, now 5 years, now passport now get. He say, you know, even think, say, now passport I go bring command. It is say like 5 years, 2 years. Now that document I will bring command. I say, leave those people where they food themselves. People when they know me, they know say I get. Now they can just deceive themselves. You know, that is it. Now so, he still get one guy when see the call. He will come and call say, Mama, that one Aisha guy, you say, Mama, now wow. These people, what did they see for your body? Document. I tell my brother, say, see my document, not my then, now my passport be that one. Another one say, Mama, my passport you. I say, yes, my passport I get. He say, wow. Say, you see? Now he say sometimes say, you know the good make person, they jump person, they beat person. I say, yes, that is it. You know? Now that one can't even they tell you friends say, now passport now day with lovely. Now passport will day with lovely. No, now forget what all those people they talk. That is life. You know? Why Ajebo body they pepper Ajebo? Wait till they take they laugh at Ajebo. Ajebo no get time. Like the time when they laugh me that time. Lovely, no get land. Lovely, if you get land for Nigeria, may they die. For this Facebook, they say if I get land for Nigeria, may them die. If I get house for Nigeria, may them die. If I get even one block safe, may them die. Now carry house come out. Now bring house come and say, see. Now I use video. They use video take pass the house round. Now say you see her. I don't throw away the house. Now they begin to say, hey, see us, na palace you build. Hey, this paint where you paint am, very beautiful paint. And the house fine though. Hey, be like palace. Hey, lovely. Like house be this. It be like a yellow house. Which a yellow house for Bini when it be like house, real house. They go they talk. They come shame. As I don't see her, why they don't continue the saga again? Why they don't continue the saga again? They don't continue saga again. Because they say waiting they take they food themselves and they bring a command for the wuto. They enter house. If we they now wish when he carry on forward, they now wish say if I get house, may she die. If I get block, may she die. If I get land, may she die. If I get passport, may she die. But those things when she feel say she won't use until they mock me that I bring a command for her. She was so depressed. You know, you don't know people, you don't talk about people, or you don't know me. Wait till I not be they talk about me. I want to shout. I know they shout. I go they laugh. Now so I tell laugh for their matter that year. Then they talk again. Now they know these people don't get waiting. They will take laugh me. You know, they don't get waiting. They will take laugh me. Egbe balian. Now I made them they go gaga like that. They are crazy. Why can't I see one when they sought me from Victor platform yesterday? What did they make you they go crazy like that? Why are you so bitter? Why are you so bitter? Lovely, you dey crazy. Lovely, I'm gonna kill you. Lovely, you gotta do this. Lovely, you gotta do that. I won. I not be Bini. If you like, you use Ogun to insult me. I don't know what you are talking about. I can say Ogun kill you. Where I narry no Ogun. You know how your Ogun take the key. But if you say Ogun kill me, I don't know how your Ogun work. That is it. You have a Ogun no severe win now yet. That is no way you go say lovely Ogun they kill. If you say Ogun they kill me, I'll laugh. You know the way I had they laugh yesterday because why? It's funny. I'll not be Ogun family. I am not coming for Ogun family. And then how can you swear Ogun man? person when papa na Christian, mama na Christian. If you say Ogun, he will say, what is Ogun? You don't know what it be Ogun. If you say Oromila, he go tell you, say, what is Oromila? There is some Benin people that don't know what is Oromila. If you say Oromila, well, what's Oromila? Yes, there is some people that don't get juju for their juju image for their house. They know they serve juju. If you use juju to insult them, they will seriously. Like if you use juju to insult me now, juju not they. I know they see. You know they flick me. You know I know they serve juju. Me serve all those no, I be river. Make ya me amerekpo ya no riwegbe. Amerekpo ja. Ogun to wa daisa gen yogun. Then they use water till they bath. You see, huh? If your body they hot, come. I will give you water. I will that make if I talk, people will say, why lovely matter? Word they always they shake because my word is powerful. Amen. Water is powerful. It's a peace. You know? See that woman yesterday, they shout, yo. Victor say, he will come settle me with her. I laugh, I say, me, Bini. Settle me with who? Bini. I know. No. Now, that is another statement. I have my Bini friends, not be Facebook. You know? When we say, if I see them for grant, we go play. We go do things together. We eat together. I know them. Now be one useless Bini girl when he go they shout for Facebook. Now that me with that one. You know that Bini girl when he they insult yesterday. When Victor thought that thing, the Bini girl know say lovely cannot take herself so low. You will put me with Bini girl for line. What do we get to talk? Nothing. What do we get Bini girl? Say the one settle me with Bini girl. I say Kayona settle me BS. If me with Tisha they quarrel self, it's difficult say concept or like I said the day na wish now. As people say, Mama, they want to settle you with the day na wish. I say I don't need it. She's on social media. I don't need her. Now social media now she dey. She not dey social media now say we be friends. We just quarrel like that. Hey, we can go like that. But now social media, I don't need somebody on social media. That idiot, that maduma. Where am I use that maduma do? Now that they say, from Victor say, I will settle you with lovely. Me with a quarrel, where me with our they settle. He's a lunatic. He's a lunatic. He's a frustrated prostitute. Prostitute do not gog. She's a frustrated prostitute. She don't scatter book for everywhere. She dey find person when you go deja. Lovely na bad person. I tell you, I say I be good person before. You supposed to know for a long time that I'm not a good person when it comes to you people irresponsible life. I cannot dwell in that place. Now laugh, I can't they laugh. Did you see what they are doing? Because they see say Enogie with Frank they fight. The time when Enogie with Frank they fight. Who don't ever come join Frank beat Enogie? He did. Not be Enogie side, not be all of una day that time. When real Saga day between Enogie and Frank. Not be Enogie side, not be una day. Then you can't read the time when una want beat Enogie now. Una they expect say make Frank come join and beat Enogie. No. When he reached for Frank and Enogie to they do their saga, everybody know them. If they do their saga, they go tired. But not be say una they backslide every day. Una they backslide. Una they grand person, make person going to follow. Una they fight. If you not the saga from Victor for this video, for live video, then why not say now from Victor? Now you want to go meet, make it the journal they beat Enogie. It no go good like that. If from Victor with Enogie they fight. I know that one are their own. From it on a person who see they understand. He know say he with Enogie fight now, he with Enogie fight. But when it comes to another person say now he want dragon enter Enogie fight, from it or not they take him. He stood his stand. He they fight for himself. I like people like that. Stood your own stand. If Saga come, Saga by yourself. Not be this social media on that day. When me with Frank Victor quarrel that time, wait till I tell Frank Victor say no, they insult all those women again. At the end of the day, what did they do? They're not going to insult me for Frank Victor platform. At the end of the day, what did happen? Me with Frank Victor, we not settle. We don't settle. Me with Frank Victor not call each other, settle to each other. I call him, I say, Frank, how far? He say, that one about it. I say, nah, me. Because the things one they do for there, you don't reach me to put for my say, una they do something. Me, I'll be person when be say, I day inside where they do gra-gra. My gra-gra, if I gra-gra with you finish, the next day, if I see you, I feel greet you. If I don't want greet you, I pass you. That is how I do my own. Then now Frank Victor, when all of una they beat that year, now there una want go settle Enogie matter. Now tell them say, now Frank Victor want settle una. Frank Victor open social media say he want settle una. Frank Victor not even want make the matter settle. If the matter settle, Frank Victor not go get view again. If una never know, Frank Victor not tell una side. Now one man stand, now he be. Now only you want go set go for himself. Now only you want go set the net for himself. Now only you want they play ball. Now only you want they score himself. Take it or forget it. Now he pay that guy for body. The guy got the shout, lovely, lovely, lovely. They shout. We don't take one they shout. We know now. This is not me with our cause they do nyama nyama. This is not me with our cause they do nyama. He say, me if I lovely. Oh, if I say now good kill your papa because now you know what your good be. As I use a good day, insult your papa. You go pay la where he pay na. He pay na say call her. You will be call her good kill your papa. He pay na. Now my comment now they look yesterday. Pay na where you know. Let if Enogie want to Saga, let Enogie Saga. Who he want Saga. But Enogie don't take it to go and meet Frank Victor. All those things when you do unto all people. Even myself, you cannot reach where I did. But I not take her like the way when your people take her for your hand. Yes, I didn't take it like that. I said, no, they come here, they tell you, I said, no. If they fight for Facebook, no, don't call me for it. Let them fight that. Now they're be that. No, tell me, say, can't put for this matter. No, it not concern me. Because tomorrow, now see settle. Wait till they come one. They want to say, may they gather. May they Saga Enogie. You know, Frank not go join you. If Frank wants Saga Enogie, go Saga Enogie on his own. Not for you. No for you. If Frank do that one, Frank get fans. Frank fans, they go they quarrel. Even Enogie with Frank, they quarrel. So Frank fans still like Enogie. Because he know say, Frank Victor, not be person when they too much use this saga till they kill self. It's just a while away time as a live video presenter. Now they do. But to not use on serious. No use on serious. Don't see that one yesterday. They craze up and down. Nice two sister color cup put a bit 3 sister color. He said, from it, all they let them go, they insult person for your platform. Yes, you don't give them that way. The people when they follow. Now so Frank Victor fans go they insult people for who they follow. No, then you don't come to Frank Victor and this platform and insult people like me. You cannot insult people in my platform. You know, talk for the matter, put your opinion, go. If now Frank Victor with Enogie they quarrel now, you go they insult Enogie for there. You be fans, you can insult Enogie. If Enogie still they do, Frank Victor fans still go they insult Frank for there. Fine, now so it's supposed to be. But not be Frank Victor not they talk of. Frank Victor they talk of 2 fighting issue. You know get Saga with Enogie. If they talk two people when they fight, if they talk their issue, you they call you can't they insult people for there. Don't priest. Frank Victor no they settle you, settle Enogie. Frank Victor no they settle you. Frank Victor no join you. Frank Victor no join Enogie. Frank Victor dey on you. He dey look una. Now so they be. The time when I see the Saga at that time. Now so it still be. You see they look una. Then don't now they share una shame. They give person when sit down on you. Una no feel Saga. Una no feel Enogie Saga. Now Enogie na it dey Saga. Now Enogie with Frank Victor, the young guys when they Saga. Now Enogie with Frank Victor. They draw. Not be me dey Facebook. Now me be the commentator. Now me be the barrister. Now me be the judge. Now me be your draw Saga. Now they do draw. 50-50. See, don't Prince now. If he do video finish sometimes, Now 2K they wash am as you go shout reach. Now me be the priest. Now me be the priest. I say upon all shout 2K. The other day 1K now I wash am for good 3 days. 1K. Me when I know they do Saga say if my before they go break, 1K don't wash me. No be Saga, no only laugh. I don't laugh for them. Only laugh. 1K don't wash me. You when they say, ah, me be the top priest. Now me the top priest in the show. Wait till they show for your hand. I bet bro. That hand carry and go take walk. Don't please go use hand walk. Me you know the quarrel. Bet. Stay your lay. Not the couple for Frank Victor show again. Frank Victor no they do show for you. If they analyze on a saga, take it like that. Now so they be. If person they saga me, no, if another person they do video, I know they call the person say, yeah, because that person they saga me, you they saw the person I want go there. No. If the person they beat you, I can say, okay, don't see beat you, don't see carry you reach, not be now so that they do, and not be you when be live video presenter, who they beat you, who you first be before, who they beat you, if they judge you no matter, you know they separate you now, if they analyze you, I bet don't please, continue your saga, upon how you do saga reach, I don't see you now say, for where. Video that was my Don Priest. How they like to the Saga Don Priest. I look at like my mama grand Peking, you know. Video na. Video na. Don Priest. Video na. Video na. Adebo, you see your life. Adebo is a one useless man. You go like to they bring a fellow man down. Now, what he want to do to Enogie inside this year? He want to compare himself with Enogie because he get which as he say he get orphanage home. He won't use and do competition with Enogie. Don't when you they do that thing too. Not be orphanage money, not be done to the chop. Not be foundation money, not be done to the chop. Don't be foundation money. John get house for Abuja. He get house for Lagos. He get many houses for Bini. Even get house for Ishan. You there, you they shout. Now you just want to the way the day he run John Osage video. I see this man. Say this man is a useless man. Now that day, now begin say I'm gonna deal with you, bomba to bomba. Very useless man. He won't use another person climb. And you not go fit climb. But see, and as small children, how you go they do this thing with chairman of waiting, chairman of spaghetti. All those small children, when you see so, I came mama, now foundation house they sleep. No. Don't prince mama when he die. Now foundation house, now they sleep for this thing, like baby. No. Enogie mama, now foundation house, now they sleep. No. I came mama, I can still get mama. Now orphanage house, if they sleep. No. Olivier still get mama. Now orphanage house, Olivier mama, they sleep. No. Ugo. Now orphanage house, now Ugo mama, they sleep. No. Check all these people. When you be one carry put for granted that they call you Chama. Good morning, my love. When you gather together, they call you Chama. Their mother did their house. And I'm near your you won't be chairman. Your mama did orphanage house. Child, this is breaking news. This is heartbroken. I have never seen this kind of thing in my life. Is somebody that spent 25 years in Europe, his mother is living in orphanage home? Oh my God. How can a mother that have children become an orphan? A mother with children become an orphan. A grandmother become an orphan. Ah, it's a shame to Adebo Namye Yawefe. Adebo Namye Yawe. Eta house fuen pue. Ese jenyae. Pue Adebo Namye Yawefe. Your own mother is in orphanage. You can't see one woman way. He picking up you as for way the orphanage to I will say Naisha na your mama dey na for tell her say oya carry key abi make I give her. No, I go say make I give her one flat free for my house for Benin. I go say make I go give her. Oh, I no fit give her because that house. No, I no go give her. It too dey expensive. Wetin I will do now? It's like you get room to room when they want sell. When one Benin guy come, he say, "Mama, they want sell one room to room. Oh, you want build down that face me and face you. You want buy am? If you want build house, put me destroy. I say, pa, I will fetch her first. Be like I will buy that house. Make I use and take give. And I'm near Yahoo FA, mama gift. Ah, I will not write in name put. They will carry and go this thing. They'll go sign and write in name put. I know they follow and come drag her. If I give person something to person, I know they drag her. Can you imagine? Orphanage house. Oh, even children, they sleep for orphanage. Ajeboyeta house. EJ, they sleep orphanage house. EJ, if you call life the next time. May you born pikin oh. Be a monoro born fiere oh. May you be born pikin when they use your hand they write oh. Oh, eke bawe ne. Oh, I know the fish shut for the shadow go. Ajebo de kuemu, ajebo gbiku yewo, ajebo gbiku owewo, ajebo gbiku yewo. Owo ba o ọwọ́ báyìí bàbá ìbòyá ọba máa ń wẹ́ my man pikin wey no fit build house for mama ọba wan take know am wetin ọba wan take know you wẹ́ dókítà ọwẹ́ why you dey help yourself, why you dey give yourself hope when you no dey walk through the hope? How can you be giving yourself hope? No build girl, no be the build house. He never, oh Jesus Christ of Nigeria. He say, Oba Noah, in Wami Otata Toto, baby, I better talk on that if you don't see other thing talk. Why they want to know you? You buy land. You buy land when they want to know you, say you buy land. When the community go to know you. Yeah. People when they take Navy field, when they come to know you. Oh! I don't know if cry for person matter. My people, me I call the live now. Today na Monday. That's what about it. Then na retane wo agbotare wo nyatane. If you from Monday talk, you can't talk reach Sunday. You go talk tire. Oh, your mama. Yeah. And they cry. They God not let me cry. Who say cry? God forbid. Cry, God forbid. Ha. So mama can go end up for police station. I don't know how they cry because the day matter they not they make me cry. Mama go end up for police station. Even when they talk say they arrest person, mama, they don't arrest your mama. Hey, see wahala. They arrest your mama. They arrest your brother. They arrest your brother secretary. They arrest these small children with their orphanage. Nigerian people, they do child abuse. How can you arrest small children with their orphanage? These small children with their orphanage home. I don't know whether they be over. They're not they talk. See, they did the orphanage home now, so they be. My people, I be not be those children still dead there. The children know they grow. Because why they go grow? Children when they shit spaghetti. Hey, spaghetti in Navarre pomodoro. Yeah, not you just go say walking away. You might see your toilet, only something going there. You go say, oh, money. A propagative, no. A propagative, no. I get both your no. I get one year toilet, me, son. How can you shit? But about when they eat spaghetti, let me tell you. If you eat spaghetti, you don't go see shit. Oh, Oh, wait, it's a take home, it's a malaja where spaghetti. Spaghetti, they fun shit for inside belly. If you like, can chop 3 bag of spaghetti. You not go see shit. Oyibo, if they want chop spaghetti, they will chop spaghetti. They go chop roasting polo. They will this thing potato. They will chop roasting potato that they roast am with this thing together, polo. They go boil am with polo together. The water when it come out for polo with the oil, they will come drop little olive put. Now they go take fry am for inside the pot, you know. Then polo will come dey there, potato will come dey there, spaghetti will come dey there, formaggio will come dey there. You see, huh? Nah. When they eat all those things, polo go enter your belly, spaghetti enter, potato enter, and this enter, formaggio it go enter because they get formaggio when they take the chop all those things. That formaggio they white. From there they go eat mozzarella with egg. From there when they don't eat and finish it, they'll come drink ice cream. No, they'll use now wine. Now they take the topper. The way they don't eat finish, they'll come use ice cream. Taste step and down. My people, how many meat they eat for that dinner so? How many foods they eat for that dinner so? Spaghetti, polo, mozzarella, formaggio, that white formaggio with this thing, potato. They come chop ice cream on top. And you get biscuits when they chop and too. That biscuit when long. You get where they do it long. 7 food now they eat at that moment. They chop and small. Those 7 food will come gather. Italy go see shit. Iya the bono they see shit again. Cause not only spaghetti they eat. The small children when they the orphanage, the 3 children when they since when you open that orphanage, not only 3 children they the 3 children now his sister when die, the children when leave. The orphanage, you know they grow. Orphanage, if you bring one pikin orphanage, before you know, they go before they break, another one will come. Before 1 week, 7 children don't enter. Even before 1 week, safe. And they'll say, children when they carry come this orphanage today, it reach 5 for 1 day. They don't carry a day there. He say you open orphanage. My people, more how they give this man money again. How can 3 children they orphanage over 5 years? Not only these 3 children they there, another children not they there. You people should know that when they help this man, they take care of his family for house. He can't even take care of his own children. He cannot take care of his own family. There is some Benin men and some Benin women in Europe. They train their own sister children for abroad and for Nigeria. They train them for school. So they carry they come abroad. They go school for abroad. Some Benin, they carry their brother, their sister children come abroad. They go put them for school when their children they go too. The one when no fit, he go they pay his sister pikin school fees for Nigeria. Most of them they carry their sister, they pay school fees. And they don't get the one. You know if you take care of his own biological children, you know if you take care of his own step sisters, your own brothers and sisters' children, you know if you take care of his mama. Person we no fit take care of they no emi tiyari evae. You no fit take care of her. Na uke ke na buke party na ya debo mama they go sit down then they give her rice. He piece her up now. He tired now. Hello. How you doing? Now good morning, Stella. How you doing? It is did you sure? Did they live video the saga from Victor with Ajebo? Are you sure? Did was he break table leg? You know, that's it oh. He say Ajebo will learn. learn, but in a hard way. Yeah, he go learn. Why not learn, my love? He go learn now. What so? He go learn. This woman, no, this man, no, they count money. You know they count money. Eh? This man, no, they count money. Oh, can't go. That day they talk to me. See, Anna. See, I go. See, Anna, money for inside my distance.